Roja meromo ko bialing wani kundia Januari ti yishien ling. Roja melari ya melenga janangwa. Aran chi video ma shi ko scroll. Ko to cha jojo kor mani. It's not enough anymore. Chakan charom. Cha kor cha ter. Kaya jen social media ku yena ignore. Ko Januari to one. Nay ti ko na roja long ka nay ti ko no kulo to gwa kor. Ti ko no kwala na kwa nay ti ko to shuja. Lakini yana ti ko no kwala shola nuer community worldwide. Pidian ka biadu chara matala mongong gitu. Chang ta family du kai lu te kwa mana der mor ka gur ka kan more. Wajano gwa na na ta chang na ro kente. Ajan gwa kwa na le tutte. Mo ko to ga ne kon. Mo na lu chang mo da ba. Tu kon tel gwa bro bartin as long as you are genuine. Unless taran ka plan mo be unless taran ka plan ko be sure de be ger gwa na te tan. Gwa aba ka point Yang dial ka wika ka social media ka wika no we di na ye riede lok loida riede lok loida e cha janga cha ka masika wala masquerade wala maskungu nore la lel kana kadi nore cha ka bul ka ja nore cha ka bukare nyali ngot ka mana ga che ma me chi to re ga war re ju ka me changi changan cha le ndung lo ka cha ba ja long ai chang me kan kala này thơ 2000 na ge cha nang ne ka elia ma je ku kala này ta ka ngot o na ka ji ba ju ngot che ma jang ngai kan bai de wo bai na ka ba ju ngot jang de na ba ngot cái 2026 ka cha kon sha ba ka ne ka bi yan bet tan yan bet da influencer ne dial tan yan bet da e mo wa ra ja ba ngana te elia ma gogol mana ka ji ka wo chi chon ka lo mu no ra mu chi lo awun lot kamo ma ci ka berara jang ma ta ka raja ba ka na ka ngata ma rai ka man tu tel kamera to go ku ka share kamera ne ken de jagya ga weekend awu cha ka na go awu mu lot ka gola ci berara rai ka man kwar ken wo ma cha la do go yen ga bula mi de ko la de ga mara nien ko apal kama yom nien pala ja ko ne do do ala ti chang ba wo nya ka ro ken ro ko kor bu ay tel mo go ma la de jen la wa long no mu ga na gan kor bu ay beja nien palaja enyok enya dien mi roj la chu nyure roje nga jen ni jana mo da roje nga jen nga wala mi ala goro de wa ngan de wa ka front line ngu cha wuktin cha pen wa biem no nga ma da kan ka mare ko ko mana mo wa ka roj mo na nyer jana mo che jen dwal ka yen nori mo na yen nora bia le nga ja ala re ye mi shalat by the way chora ling ne chara ka sha we le nga ja na ngo. Okay, so what if I could be given a chance? Oh, bawa ka jay one, bawa lat ka jay one, and have the position of the president. See, lenga na nga, mo chawa ka jay one, chawa, acha ta chan mo jaga. Bawa ta gwa kwa, chawa, I will bombard you. Baye book e bom ni, as if kana book. Te bol kana ter ka nguni. That mean, here duwar me ala kana ter. Te na ka shi kana kare. Yes, de na kana ter te kwa bombard kare chika na. You still go de na nyo bombard. Okay? Chawa, I want to be in the front line and kill you. Okay? Baya na ke jet, de boke jana. De even chawa, even your chicken, as the commander say. De book kanyal mano man palang no kun, chata e da ne shalat. O tela gan ma palka, ka tela man palang ma palka. Ding yana? Chara nyawa, chawa, because it has become too much. Action must be taken. Or if Salva Kiir was my father and he listened to me, I will give him some orders to take action against you and wipe you out. Kualat. Kual wo ngan wore. A wiping a bala batu ga tame. Ke wo cha ji abiam nom nago. Katana wiping an wal. Like, I don't get it. And you guys are still keeping quiet. Ba ne kun juire lo ka ti ko di chume ka ko be. Ka gad we mon lo ka. Cha ka were mon di na jang to banu kuirol. Cha ka nang ka ko be. An ta mo ba shi wo bi na nyur ko be ba ka nyo nam niam. Mo wa ka ku joj ba ji ka nyo ba ka ken. Bi na wa chang rol buny. Te mo cha rol mara. Ba ra nyo pal ne ka ku ban ti wa cha ma to ka gad do ara mo ne. Mo wa ro ke no mat mo wa ka joj ba ra man nga bi ko rum ka wa na rum rol buny. Te wai pa mo to dien. South Sudan bi apal ja. South Sudan ba kat. Charo nyo wa you are refusing to give up your weapon and you are finishing Jiang. Ejen po nyama ko right. 160 finishing Jiang. But killing 1,000 or 2,000 Nuer is not finishing Nuer. My sister, wherever you are, you need to find a Nuer lady and face her. Don't even talk about you going to the front line. It's even very far. Look for a Nuer lady and confront her. Huh? You have guts to talk. Those who were killed in Nasser and are still being killed even today, they are not human beings. They are not families. They are not fathers. They are not children to people, or they are not brothers to us. And you have guts. It pains you. That is little. Those people that you people ban, oh, they are two. Only two. They have children they left behind. Orphans. They have windows right now. And you are still talking of what? Okay. You Dinka people, I don't want to take it that in a way that it shouldn't be. Because death is a death. Nuer die, Dinka die. Instead of talking about peace, you are talking of going in front line, bombarding Nuer, wiping them out, finishing them, da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Do you think it will come by a dream? You are just dreaming wherever you are that you feel bad that Nuer did that. Did you feel bad when Dinka were wiping Nuer out? Did you have humanity in you? Did you? No, death is good. Let them sleep in peace. The same way that Nuer people have been sleeping in peace when they are being killed. Let those people that died in Abimnom sleep in peace. We don't need to make noise. And let the Nuer that are being killed sleep in peace. If the president does not want us to have peace, let's finish ourselves. Those who will remain will collect the remaining part of their homes. And we will start from nowhere, wherever it will be started. Thank you.